The vast majority of patients are female, but more and more we're starting to see men come in, you know, with things that what'll bother them is their neck, or they'll find that, oh, my eyelids are starting to sag. Is there anything you can do about this? Especially with the more competitive workplace nowadays, and even with the economic downturn, it's even more so. So we're starting to see more men, and interestingly enough, the men are actually becoming more attracted to the laser type treatments because men are a little bit more chicken than women. Women are a little bit more bold, they can take pain better, they're a little bit more willing to say, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and try this, where men want to ease themselves in a little bit more. So men will often start with trying a little bit of Botox first and some of the smaller procedures. But it's interesting, on a male facelift, for example, I mean, men really can be bothered by their necks, and it's something that when you can tighten that neck up on a man, they really feel good about themselves. As you can imagine, it's the same way a female does, but most men sort of don't want to admit it. But once you do, and you look at it, you go, huh, that's pretty cool, that really worked. They feel great about it. So I think that slowly but surely, you know, around the country we're seeing this, that men are becoming a little bit more willing to undergo something, and there's less of a stigma about a male having a procedure as opposed to, oh, it's perfectly fine for a woman to have a plastic surgical operation.